Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is The Real Nenya, and in today's video I am going to be talking about 10 feminine hygiene tips that I think you should know and you should practice as well. If you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real deal. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up just so that my channel can grow. In no particular order, one is oral care. There is nothing as upsetting, nothing as embarrassing, nothing as uncomfortable as being around a very fine girl or a very fine guy and this person has bad breath. Please, please, for my sake and for the sake of every other person out there, please take care of your oral health. I'm not talking about those people who it is a medical condition, because yes, there's a medical condition that you cannot help it but have bad breath. I am not talking about those people. I'm talking about you that can help it, you that is not brushing your teeth regularly, you that is not taking care of your oral health. So please take care of your oral health. Remember to visit the dentist twice a year at least. I remember the last time I went to a dentist here in Lagos, Nigeria. It is not as expensive as you think. I think it costs like 35,000 naira for the regular scaling and polishing. You don't have to do extra. Just do the regular scaling and polishing, and I promise you would be okay. The thing that improves oral care is a tongue scraper. The person who invented tongue scrapers needs to be given a Nobel Prize, because, you know, from research, bad breath is caused by dirt and sediments, leftovers on your tongue. So a tongue scraper basically scrapes everything out. I'm going to show you what a tongue scraper looks like somewhere here. So this is what a tongue scraper looks like, and in the regular supermarket it costs about 1,000 naira or 1,200. So please get yourself a tongue scraper and save the world. Next is vaginal care. I am not a subscriber of using fem washes and the likes, but it is very, very important to note that don't wash the vulva area with only water. You need to use like a very mild toilet soap, for example Dove soap, right? And remember, do not allow anything else to go into the vagina, to go up into the vagina, because vagina is self-cleansing. It doesn't need your help. Don't help it. Please don't put pineapple, don't put lavender, don't put anything scented whatever into the vagina. And for those of you who you have been told that you need to be smelling like pineapple, you need to smell like lavender, you need to smell like sweet, you need to smell like chewing gum, you have been deceived. Please do not put any of those things up your vagina. And please, you are not supposed to smell like pineapple. If you smell like pineapple, go and visit your doctor, because you are not healthy. Next is underwear. Do remember that you need to change your underwear at least once a month, or at least once in 2 months. It's dependent. I don't know how you people do it, but it is dependent on your ability. But do remember that you need to change your underwear as often as possible. Stick to cotton or lacy underwears, and stick to loose underwears. Don't always wear tight underwears. Next is, remember to not wear panties when you're going to bed. Some people wear tights from morning to night, leggings morning to night. In the night, in the middle of the night when you're going to bed, you will still wear tights again. Please and please, let it breathe. The same way you need your nose to breathe, allow it to breathe, okay? Thank you. Is skincare. When taking care of your skin, remember to avoid products that are bleaching, products that would cause you sunburns, products that are not good for your skin. Take care of your skin, always moisturize, always have a skincare routine and stick to it. Don't run to new products every time somebody launches a new product, because your skin tends to be upset and your skin purges. The next thing you start seeing, you have acne, you have hyperpigmentation, you have this, you have that. So stick to a skincare routine that works for you. Ensure you moisturize your skin properly. I have a video where I talked about how to moisturize your skin and how to stay hydrated all the time. I'm going to leave a link here so you can watch it too. Make sure that you're using good moisturizing lotions, body butters. I also have a video where I showed you how to make body butters at home. There is also a link that I'm going to leave here and in the description box as well. Still under skincare, remember to add body scrubs to your skincare routine, because body scrubs help to remove dead skin cells and dull skin surfaces. Like, when you're using a body scrub, it's like you're using scoring powder on your pot. You're removing the dirt. You're removing the dirt on the surface of your skin using a body scrub. So please add body scrubs to your skincare routine and stick to it. Next is perfumes and deodorants. We do not talk about this enough as girls, even as boys, because some boys are going to watch this video. You don't have to go outside smelling unfresh. So please invest in deodorants. A deodorant would cost, here in Lagos, Nigeria, Nivea deodorant is about 700 naira, the roll-on. Then you can either go for the spray if you want. But please invest in deodorants and good perfumes. Good perfumes don't have to be expensive. They are very affordable perfumes that smell really nice. Invest in deodorants, invest in perfumes, and please don't go out of your house without using it to help the world and to help yourself too. Thank you. Point number 5 is always stay groomed. Make sure that the hair on your body is groomed. You don't need to have hair on your legs. You need to either shave, wax, or go for a more permanent method, which is laser hair removal method. You don't want to keep going to the spa all the time. Make your sugar wax at home. Do your waxing yourself. Or you easily just go with shaving stick or shaving cream, which still gets the job done. So please, ladies, don't go around with a jungle in your underarm and what is remaining is George to be in the jungle, okay? Thank you. Next point is change your towels. This is point number 6 now. Change your towels. Towels. This is what I mean. I'm going to be saying towels and towels interchangeably because what I pronounce it is towels. I don't know, but that's what I say. So make sure that you always change your towels once every 5 days or once every 4 days. And I would advise that you use white towels. For me, I always use white towels just so that my brain tells me every time that this towel is dirty, you've used it for 5 days, you've used it for 4 days, change it. So always change your towels. Don't use your towels for 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Please and please, your towels is going to be a house for bacteria, for germs, and you're going to put that on your body. Tomorrow you say, why is my skincare not working? It's because you need to change your towel. Point number 8, invest in probiotics, supplements, and multivitamins. Probiotics most importantly as a woman, because probiotics help to maintain the floral balance of your vagina and your urinary tract. And most of these probiotics or supplements are not expensive. They're very affordable. And the ones that I use this. I am not advertising for any brand, but I'm just saying this is the one I use and it works very well. I also use these hair, skin, and nail gummies, and they work pretty well too. So please invest in multivitamins and supplements because they are very good for you. Point number 9, drink water. We do not talk about the importance of drinking water as much as we should. In my video where I talked about how to stay moisturized and you have a glowing skin, drinking water is very, very important because you can't be drinking 5 bottles of Coke a day and expect your skin to be glowing. It doesn't correlate. So please drink water because water is very, very good for you. Water helps in your digestion. Water helps in achieving a glowing skin. So please drink water. Point number 10, invest in your appearance. Please and please make sure that you are always looking good. And yes, it is a part of feminine hygiene because when you go around with cracked heel, I mean under your feet, and it's cracked, it doesn't speak well of your hygiene routine. Do you understand the relationship now? So please always make sure that you have a pedicure, and Your nails are always well done. Not you go around with only two acrylic fingers remaining. If you don't have acrylics on, make sure that your nails are clean and are well manicured, and you just have regular hardener. You don't need to even go to to the beauty shop or anything. Buy regular hardener, file your nails and put hardener on it. That is all you need to have very clean nails. So please invest in your appearance, wear clean clothes, smell good, and have your nails clean at all times. Just as a recap, one is oral care. Make sure that you are visiting the dentist at least twice in a year. Make sure that you are using toothpaste, using tongue cleaners, tongue scrapers. That's what they are called, tongue scrapers, to scrape out all the dirt that you have in your tongue. Two is invest in vaginal care. Make sure that you're having the right underwear, you're not sleeping in tights. Make sure that you are not using soap, or you're not putting soap or any scented products up your vagina. Three is invest in your skincare. Use the right moisturizers, the right creams, the right lotions, the right body scrubs for your skin type. Four, invest in supplements, multivitamins, and probiotics, which helps your internal health. Five is change your towels. Please remember, change your towels. Use them for 4 to 5 days only. And you can invest in white towels, as they help as a reminder to change your towels. Six is always stay groomed. Don't go around looking like the jungle remaining George to be in it. Seven is make sure that you have a healthy diet. Make sure that you're not eating junks. Eight, drink water all the time. Make sure that you have a bottle of water close to you, because the importance of water cannot be overemphasized. Nine, invest in your physical appearance. Invest in your nails. Invest in your pedicure. Invest in your manicure, just so that you appear clean and sharp as the fine babe that you are. And 10, perfumes and deodorants are very, very important in your feminine hygiene routine. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you loved this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and give my videos a thumbs up.